This is a CountryBoyModz production.
What's going on, everybody? How everybody doing today? Today I'm just gonna be showing you where I'm pretty much kind of bootleg this, drill the holes in this for the side splitters here. But pretty much what I'm using is a Dremel, and I forgot the name of the little drill tip, but it got little metal shavings at the top. It started working out pretty good in the beginning, and after a while it just faded out. It started smoking and everything. So at the end of the video you'll see like some bloopers where it started smoking and everything on me, but I mean, it got the job done. So pretty much use that, put the self-tapping screws in. You're gonna definitely need a power drill and a drill bit to get this job done. Unfortunately, I didn't have one around, so I had to use what I had around the house. So like I said, I put it all the way down from the rear all the way to the front, as you can see what I'm doing right now. And yeah, when I say this, it was tough trying to do this. I sat there for a while trying to get these holes drilled, but I got it done. Pretty much you're gonna do the same process on the next side, on the other side over there. But when I say that I was happy with the result, because when in the previous video I didn't really show how I did this because I didn't want the video to be so long, but now I'm showing you, and like I said, repeat the same steps on the other side and you'll be done. So pretty much we did that, and I got the screws in on this side here. So right here kind of messed up. It didn't want to drill right there, so I just said, hey, it is what it is. I did get a chance to fasten it down on each piece to support it, secure it, plus with the Gorilla Tape holding it. But overall, the job came out good. I'm happy with it. And I just wanted to show y'all a quick little video on how I did it. If you have any questions, feel free to leave it in the comment. And I try my best to answer best as possible. And thank y'all for watching. Thank y'all for the support. And y'all take it easy. Be safe out here. Peace. Oh, and I also forgot to say, like, if you're new to the channel, please, help your boy out, man. We up 1,400 something subscribers right now, so help me out. If you're new to the channel, be sure to subscribe, leave that like, and hit that notification bell for future videos coming up. Y'all don't want to miss them. I'm telling you, you're going to enjoy what you see on this channel. But I thank y'all for supporting. Y'all take care. It's that final piece.